gaan ons. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, this is the next cock on auction. He's also a 2020. His number is 5913. And he's bred out of a super pair of pigeons that my partner Rian won in the Free State races a few years back from JBM Herzog's Pigeons. He won a cock and hen there, and as a breeding pair, and that pair has bred more than 10 winners already, and multiple top 20 ace pigeons, including 5913, which is one of them. And the lines included in this pedigree is the Twilight lines, the Tomlock lines, the Roodhoofd from the late Roland Bouwer, and also the famous De Rosa Blonde lines. This cock is still 100% fertile. It's got a beautiful pearl eye, and he's also got the big black ring underneath the eyelid. I'll show you just now. Nee, druk hom alweer, ja. Under the eyelid, there's the big black ring, which many fanciers like. And then he's still 100% fertile, and this cock is also real value for money.